Okay, hi guys. Here is your HMH lesson for section 4.5. All right, so we are mainly focusing on give and follow instructions. All right, so we're going to do an activity today with giving and following instructions, kind of like the story we read. That's how to read a story. Remember that? How did the author show us how to read a story there on that story? Leah? Good. She gave us the steps on what to do in order from first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8, 9, and 10 steps. And she gave us those steps in order on what to do step by step. Very good. So what you're going to do today is you're going to get an activity that says give and follow instructions. My onliners, I think I forgot to give this to you, but I'm going to go ahead and post this inside of the lesson on in the classroom, the Google Classroom. So you'll look at, you can find that as an attachment on there, okay? All right, if you want to do this in your reading notebook, you can. You don't have to do it on this piece of paper. It says give and follow instructions. So the assignment, let's read it. Instructions are directions for how to do something. You should give instructions one step at a time. Use sequence words like first, next, and last to explain the order of steps. Write instructions below for how to choose a story to read. Make sure to use sequence words to explain the order. So you're going to say first, and you're going to tell me what you do to find a good book. Next, then what do you do? Last, what do you do last? You're going to write it in a story format like this. Miss Yusuf, that's a lot of lines. Do I have to fill out all those lines? No. But as long as it's not baby sentences, okay? I want it to be meaningful. As long as it's meaningful, then I don't really care. Meaningful means full of meaning. Okay? That means it has a meaning. It's not baby sentences. First, so I don't want it to look like this. First, go to the library. Next, look at the cover. Last, put it in my book box. What? No, that's not what you do. I sure hope that's not how you choose a book. Okay? So you're going to write that. That's the first thing you're going to do today. The next thing you're going to do today is you are going to take your test, your reading test for this week. It says Module 4, Week 1 Assessment. It says at the top, a bird-friendly home. So we get a reading test every week. You're going to go ahead and make sure you take your reading test today and turn that into me. Okay, so before I let you guys go, this video will be short. I just wanted to get on here to explain to you guys what you're going to do. Before you go, let's talk about how to give instructions. So give and follow instructions. When you give instructions, speak clearly. Give clear instructions one step at a time, like the author did. Tell the steps in order. Use sequence words. What are sequence words? They're like first, next, last, finally. Okay? Repeat the instructions as needed. So if you have to repeat an instruction, then repeat it. When you follow instructions, listen carefully. Make eye contact with the person giving instructions. First, next, last. Listen for sequence words, like first, next, and last. Ask questions about steps you don't understand. If you don't understand a step, ask a question about it. Maybe you need to go back and clarify that question. And the last part, follow the instructions in order. So in order, first, second, last. So you put them in the right order. Sometimes your thoughts and ideas may give you, sometimes when you think out of order because you're trying to think so fast, but you need to slow down and make sure you write it in the right order. Okay? All right, so again, you are going to complete this today, and you're going to complete the reading test today. And that's all you're going to do for reading today, okay? If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll see you guys later.